Hey guys, I just wanted to share a new way of cutting that I've just discovered myself. I'm sure a lot of other people have discovered it, but this is my first time. You can see this is the El Camino kit, and everybody in general has to cut this catalytic converter off, and I just did it quite easily, not using a Dremel, but using a hot knife. Now this is actually a wood burning kit. And it actually didn't even come with this. It came with all these tips. These are wonderful wood burning tips, and I don't know what died there. But it also came with this knife blade, which gave me the idea. Now this is blunt on the end. I don't know if you can see that. How close can I get? Pretty close. So it's actually blunt on both ends. It's not a sharpened X-acto knife. And the description in the set says that it's for script, doing cursive like script for wood burning. And this is the wood burning set from Harbor Freight, by the way. Real cheap too, 10 bucks. But that gave me the idea to put just a regular X-acto blade. Then, you know, the chuck was all set up for it. And so I put the regular X-acto blade in there. And I was amazed at the precision that you can do. Now, I didn't film cutting off that catalytic converter, and I instantly regretted it. I definitely wanted to show that. So, of course, the muffler had to be cut off too back here. And I did film that. So, that's about all this video is going to be, is showing how this thing works. And of course, you got some cleanup to do there now. But the actual, with some practice, I think you could do it even better. I'll show you what I'm doing now. Now, I just also want to mention that the farther down the tip, and you can kind of see that from the color, so the temperature at the tip of the blade is lower than at the bottom of the blade. So if you're wanting to do something really, really precise, you could just use the very, very tip of the blade and not, you know, melt everything around it. But the farther down you go, you would be melting more, which is how you get like a rougher cut like that. Here I was using the tip, and here I went in deeper. Now I did film that, so you get to see that. I'll do that now.